Everyone to viralstocks.io. Guys, you already know the drill. For over 5 years we have been providing this free service to give our investors and our community the best micro cap stocks for those short-term high probability trading opportunities. Like we always say, guys, we're not here to bring you the next long-term investment. I'm not here to tell you the best dividend stock that pays the highest yield. I'm here to share with you guys opportunities for short-term high probability gains. That is what we do here. Now, we go over a ton of stocks on this channel, but way more importantly than that is that we actually send out our alerts to our investors. Guys, if you have not already, click the button to sign up. As soon as you go on our website, you can see it right here, or you can click the link in the description below. I will have the sign up link down there. As soon as you click that, literally all you have to do is enter in your email address, and we will send out these notifications to you all completely free. And obviously, what is way faster than email? Well, of course, text message is a lot faster. So once you enter in your email, it will take you to this screen right here where you can then enter in your phone number to receive these alerts a lot faster. Now, before we get into the stocks in today's video, I just want to emphasize these are completely free trading opportunities, short-term gains, and we're going to go over some of the huge gains that we are able to capitalize on. I'm talking anywhere from 10 to over 100% gains in hours, not days, months, weeks, or years. Some people never see those gains in their life, and we're able to capture these in hours or even minutes sometimes as soon as the market opens. So I just want to emphasize it is a completely free service. We'll never charge you anything, and we also do not just send you out random emails or random texts about random stuff. We obviously don't want to lose our audience, and so you guys will only be receiving emails or text messages when we have a stock alert for you guys. That is it. And of course, those are few and far between as well. We don't send out 10,000 alerts a day. So it's a great opportunity, and of course, it is completely free, so why not give it a try? Anyways, though, the first stock on today's list that I want to show you guys is a great example of the stuff that we scan for every single day is this right here, IMPP. As you guys can see, this stock went up over 100% just in the last one day. That is a huge gain there. And as you guys can see, as soon as the market opened, it went up right off the open. So there was tons of money to be made even right off of open. And even now, it is still holding up at over 100% gains for the day. Leave me a comment down below, guys. Is that a huge opportunity or what? And do you guys want to catch the next 100% runner? Obviously, sign up to get those opportunities. But anyways, I want to go over some news, some of the stuff that happened with this stock, and then kind of explain to you what we look for as we go through some of the stocks on today's list. So as we can see, IMPP was a stock that leaped huge Friday. At the time of writing this article here, it was up about 53%, but as we can see now, it's up over 100%, and that was all based off of one thing, which was this filing with the SEC. So on Thursday, the company filed an amendment to its Form F-1 with the SEC. Given that there is no official announcement, it seems like the stock is gaining as a consequence of yesterday's filing. So as you guys can see, it does not take much news whatsoever for these stocks to run. Now, the next stock on today's list actually had a little bit of more news, but it even had less of gains, which still 20% gains in one day is nothing to be ashamed of. But anyways, this company is PRVB. That is the ticker symbol on the NASDAQ, or Prevention Bio. You guys know I absolutely love my biotech companies because they run, and they run very, very fast. So this stock is sitting still at about $4 right now, but let's take a look at the news that we would have let you guys in on to capitalize on that opportunity. So as we can see, Prevention announced that it intends to refile for approval of one of their products. The FDA refused to approve the drug for delaying type 1 diabetes last July. Obviously, when that happened, the stock plunged about 30%, as this article says. But those are the things you can see. Like you can see with this stock right here, it's been going down and down and down. I mean, just getting absolutely hammered ever since it got that FDA approval denial. So as we can see, it's just been waiting for an opportunity to rebound. Stocks can only go down and down and down so much before they either just completely fail or they have a rebound. And so these are the opportunities you want to have on your watch list at first. And then obviously we will screen to find days like these where we think the stock has a bounce incoming based based off of some kind of news catalyst or something like that. And this was obviously a stock that had a big news catalyst awaiting. Now there's other stocks too, like Dave here. This stock is one that ran up 30% today, literally with no news, at least no news that we could find at all. Let me know down in the comments if you guys have any news. But one thing about this stock is we know that it moves and it likes to do it often. All the way back, well, I say all the way, it was only about a couple weeks ago, this stock was up 44% in just one day. So we know this stock, Dave, likes to move. Dave likes to run, that's for sure. And if we jump back here, we can see it did it again today. So we know this is a stock that moves, and it moves fast. A lot of retail investors, a lot of pumps in this stock. And so we just look for these opportunities to capitalize. And as you guys can see, this stock opened today around $9, went all the way up to over almost $14 per share. Let's see what that would have been if you got in right at the market open and sold out at the high. About 51% gains. And even right now, as it backpedals, it is still up about 30%. So a very big gain there. Once again, based off of no news, but what we did know is this stock likes to run. It's already been on our watch list. Now you wait for that opportunity when our indicators, our analysis, our scanner tells us this stock could be ready to rip. Opportunity like this, we would send out to you guys, and you would be able to decide whether you want to get in the stock or not. That's obviously completely up to you. Now, I want to share with you guys a few other stocks that have not run yet that are on our watch list currently. So, number one here is a ticker symbol CENN. This is Central Electric Group. You guys should know that this is previously Naked, or NAKD, has been a part of many short squeezes in the past, like the big one with AMC and GME. Now, I want you guys to know that this company, CENN, obviously it was Naked brand. Look, they were not a great company under Naked. I mean, they were just surely based off of short squeeze opportunities, which is great. We love those opportunities. We love to see short interest high and big opportunities for stocks, because that lets us know that there could be an opportunity presented there. However, this is a stock that also has a very good company behind them, which helps again. So having a good company behind them, this company is an electric vehicle group. They already have sales. They have a great product, all that stuff. Being that this stock has been getting absolutely pounded, I mean, every single chart, it has just been going down and down. I mean, it's literally down almost 100% over the last 1 year, which is just crazy and mind-blowing. But what you have to understand is, like we mentioned in the beginning of the video, these stocks, they only go down so much before there just needs to be a bounce. That's why this stock is on our watch list, because when it has that bounce, it could be pretty epic. Now, I don't know the short interest of this stock, but I would imagine it is still pretty high, so that can make even more parabolic moves as you start to squeeze some of those shorts out of their position. So CEN is definitely one that we have on our watch list here. Obviously not alerted, nothing like that, because it just didn't present the opportunity yet. And then the other stock on our watch list is ticker symbol CMMB. This is Chemomab Therapeutics. Hopefully I pronounced that right. But anyways, it's up about 1% on the day. But other than that, this stock once again has been just getting absolutely pummeled. And it is a biotech stock. We do know that 99% of biotech stocks fail. It's just a proven fact. But nevertheless, we still have opportunities here with FDA approvals and different things like that. So we're waiting for news, waiting for price action to make sense here, but it's been getting absolutely pounded. First green day in a long time here. And we also know that analysts believe in this company substantially. I mean, for a company as small as this to have 3 analysts offering price targets of $30, $45 and even higher than that, which is obviously a 400 to 500% increase from where the stock currently sits right now. And at $45, that's probably a 650, 700% increase. I mean, that is pretty substantial to have not one but 3 analysts saying that. So this is a stock that could see a pop based off of some news and is on our watch list. Now, I just want to highlight once again why you guys should be part of our community and sign up to capitalize on these gains. Just on January 13th, we were able to call a couple big runners for you guys, and one, the biggest, was GMVD. As we can see, GMVD absolutely took off. It is still taking off, up 232% in the last 1 month, and we were able to capitalize this around January 13th. We were a little bit late to the party, but we ran up 73.86%. It was actually closer to 100%. This chart isn't showing it. I believe it was 90-some% at its highs just in a couple of days. And as we can see, it is still up 54, 50, 55% right now. So a great gain on this stock as it continues to climb. And also, we were talking about fun. We also mentioned DWAC, and that was the runner. Not up as substantially, but nevertheless, it had a very, very nice run up. But guys, so as you can see, we do alert these stocks, and we do give you guys a great opportunities like GMVD and many opportunities. We keep stocks on our watch list, and obviously we scan for these stocks to find the best opportunities for you guys. So with that said though, guys, that is pretty much all I have for today. Like I mentioned, our service is completely free, so it doesn't cost you anything to try it. If you hate it, unsubscribe it, do what you have to do, but give it a try. I think you will find some real value in our alerts that we send out. Anyways, so guys, I know the market is rough. We will get through it, and just know with the way that we trade, with the stocks that we look at, there are still opportunities every single day of the week, no matter how the market is currently reacting. But anyways though, guys, thank you so much for watching. Leave me a comment down below what stocks are on your watch list, and guys, I will see you in the next video.